So the problem that struck me happened to be this problem, which is simply finding the distance between point A and point B. It only struck me because I made a stupid mistake in the process. So for x2, I did -6 minus 1 plus -7 minus -2 squared. -6 minus -1 is -7 squared plus, my mistake was I looked at this and immediately thought -9. And so I put -9 here, squared it, got 81, plus -7 squared being 49. I added them and got 130. When I plugged the answer in, I found out that was wrong. And my mistake happened up here. Instead of putting -9, I ought to have noticed the two negatives canceled each other out to make positives, to where -7 plus 2 is equal to -5 and not -9. So it ought to have been -5 squared, which would have been 25 instead of 81. So 25 plus 49 is actually 74. And you take the square root, and that's the distance of between points A and B. Silly mistakes, silly mistakes.